the 2012 Ford F-150. This is a crew cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This all-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Ford features power door locks and tilt wheel. Safety features include fog lights, dual front airbags, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows and keyless entry. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.